Did I just color my 14-year-old's hair? I think if y'all trying to find the tea out, continue watching. So y'all really thought I was gonna put some bleach in my child's hair? No. So we're using Ouidad Curl Immersion Deep Conditioner along with Adore 83 Fiesta Fuchsia. And this is a semi-permanent color. I'm mixing it up with the deep conditioner to apply to her hair. I just feel it does better this way. I don't know if it does better. It just feels like it does. And you get knock two things out at one time. So continue watching. We are doing semi-permanent color. I already did the first part of her hair. It's lighter. You can see it a little bit. It's like pinkish, purplish looking. She mixed magenta and fuchsia together. So we're gonna do it one more time. We are using, as you can see in the beginning of this video, we are using the semi-permanent from Adore. That's my favorite semi-permanent color. I used to use it when my hair was colored in the beginning of my natural hair journey. It's not harsh. It doesn't have a lot of chemicals. It does not alter the curl pattern either. So we did a protein treatment last week along with the semi-permanent color. So I'm just rinsing her hair because she washed it yesterday, but I didn't feel like doing it. So I am rinsing her. I am putting water on it so we can put the deep conditioner. So I added the deep conditioner as I showed you in the beginning of this video and the color. And I like to add it together so that this way she's getting her mask and she's getting her color at the same time. You can use a protein one, it doesn't matter. So this is how the color looks. Like I said, it has no bleach, no ammonia, no harsh chemicals in it. Her hair is very, very, very healthy, so this is not going to change anything on her hair. I do suggest, if you do want it lighter, lighten your hair. You can lighten it by doing, if you want to do it the more natural way, you can lighten it by doing like a henna treatment or adding lemon to your hair. Vitamin C, all that. You could do all that to lighten your hair, but her hair was already pretty light, her natural color, so this color took to her hair pretty easily. So this is just her deep conditioner along with a semi-permanent color. It's not altering her hair color for those who are really scared about everything in the natural hair community. You have people who are scared of heat. When you do things properly, your hair will not have a negative effect to it. And if you don't do it too often. So this is the color. And I'm going to do her hair just like how I would while I did a regular deep condition session. So I'm just going to put these twists in it to deep condition her hair and then let it sit for about 30 minutes. You could sit under the dryer for 15 minutes because it'll make it go faster, and then we're going to rinse it out and style her hair. So continue watching. We are still installing it the same way. I'm installing it from the ends to the roots and working it in. I like to finger detangle first, just like I would when I'm deep conditioning my hair. I like to finger detangle first before I go in with a detangling brush. But with the color, I kind of just like using my fingers all together. That's just it. I'm finger detangling it and I'm raking her hair, and then I get to just putting in the twist just like I would with her regular deep conditioner. I'm making sure I'm getting the roots too because she wants it more at the roots, not just at the ends. And like I said, this color is not going to look exactly how it does while I'm applying it because we did not color her hair and lighten it prior to doing this. It's just going to give her a tint, a pretty tint that she's been looking forward to, like a purplish type of tint. Excuse Anaya's facial expressions. We were having tough conversations about what's going on in the world, about white supremacy and how, slavery happened. Really tough
stuff. So she didn't understand, and she doesn't understand, and she's like, why are people like this? And you know you can't really speak for other people, but she was not feeling it, and she just didn't understand why we were even put into slavery. So she has a lot of researching to do, and I'm going to put her up for the task because I want her to be well informed and very well educated. School just doesn't stop at school. Schooling happens every day in our household.
So this is the color. You see she got the pink, the purple, you see all that goodness. And you can see her hair was like a sandy brown already. So the color the first time pretty much took, but it's gonna be much brighter this time because this is her second application. So now I don't have no more. We're gonna use our Rio Grande bag because I ain't got no more, I don't have no more plastic caps. So we're gonna make it work. You got it all over your face.
Dang. You gonna have me looking like
a troll. But yeah, there's the towel. This is why you're supposed to put Vaseline on your edges and your face so that you don't get it all over. You're gonna have to wash your face. Those curls out, they're turning pink. So we're gonna let her hair dry for about 30 minutes in the dryer, and then we're gonna rinse it out, and I'm gonna come back and style it. Okay, so this is the color. Y'all can see it. It's lighter. It's not gonna be super bright because I told you we did not color her hair first, and we're not going to. This is just to give her hair a tint, and it looks very, very pretty. The curls are still intact. Her texture is still intact. It is not dry. You see that color? You see the color? You see the color on her edges? So it looks good. So now we're gonna get to styling it. And if you wanna see the styling process, you're gonna have to watch part 2 of this video.